Okay, right. So once you get onto this website, biologyinmotion.com, what you're required to do is to click onto Evolution Lab. So you click this, okay, and essentially you will download the program, all right, onto your computer. Okay, so you take some time now to you can actually read this part now, the contents part, all right. So it tells you a little bit more about the Evolution Lab, and some of the buttons and controls. Okay, then you click the green arrow, right? And you can read up a little bit about natural selection. You can click it again, and then it brings you to the simulation, right? Well, it explains what the simulation is all about. And you click this again, and it brings you to this the simulation itself. Okay, so in your assignment, you're required to actually change the mutation settings. Okay, so to do that, you have to go to settings. If you click that, right, you can see the selection strength is set at 0.8. That's the default value, so you can leave it as that, right? And the one you require to change is the mutation rate. So you want to change this to, let's say for instance you change it to 0.2. So 0.2, and you click OK, right? So your mutation rate is now changed, right? So the next thing you're required to do is to run the simulation. Okay, so you go on to click this one, right? Now it runs a simulation for 5 cycles. Okay, so you want to go on to 25, right? Okay, because that's required in your graph, right? So once you click on to cycle 25, right, the mean phenotype is recorded from here. Okay, so this is the value that you want to record into your table, right? Okay, so the next one, then you click on to cycle 50. This one is shortcut, right? Then after that you have to go back to cycle 55, 60, 65, 70 and 75, right, to read off the mean phenotype again. Okay, then you can click on to cycle 100, okay, for the next one, right, for your next reading. Okay, so you want to do this until you finish the graph, the table. Okay, and right, to go on to if you want to change the mutation rate again, what you have to do first is you have to click the reset button. So you click reset, right, it resets everything, then you go back to settings and then you change the mutation rate again.